welcome back. As you can see from here, this video is we move to the second part of this 2.3, which is the Manim tutorial, thematic guides. On this rendering text and for formulas, we have quite many samples, a total 13 different codes talking about text without LaTeX. But if you want to draw or make a animation about the formulas, LaTeX is a very powerful syntax or a language with the grammar. So from this video is we move to quite several more aspects, especially is on the mathematical or certain days the formula related parts on the text. So we will call that as the text with LaTeX. So this video is we just try to test our current installation and verify we can use the LaTeX package within this Manim. So we just draw these three characters to show this LaTeX logo. So let's do this quickly. So on the mind map is every parts is I will link to this video numbers. For some parts, it may have the multiple the videos. Then when we come to that, is we will do more detail. So to easier the manage those code is like we did is work with text without LaTeX. So we did is this text with LaTeX, and as usual is we call that 2.3. Now it's _2 _01. So this manner is will be same as the earlier one. So let's do this, but just for the easier is I put our two folders, so we can see that in this tree already. So let's do the first one. So it's the hello latex.py. So from Manim import all, and let's do this class. Last video we had some interesting troubleshooting. Is I made our tricky mistake is I wrongly use the markup text, which is our special word, or you can see that is the reserved word within the Manim. So I use that as the name of the class. Wrongly type should be the markup text. I put that text, then it shows some strange these arrows. So try not to use those special or keywords like your name. And then dev construct self, sorry. Then we define our LaTeX, I call that as text, with these keywords, with our these are the LaTeX syntax with the slash. Then you should draw this LaTeX word and text. So let's try to see. I hope it's running. So text with. Let's see. With LaTeX is just my current. Oh no. So it's 2. And then 2.3.01. So I have this one. So Manim PQL hello LaTeX. Come on. So remember this. So here I have this hello LaTeX is not in the script. So font size, again, I may have some error, I believe. So let's see. LaTeX. Yeah, I put this small x. That is the case sensitive. Now let's go to another arrow. So let's see from which part is I have this one here. So that is the hello LaTeX, hello LaTeX constructor. That is no problem. And the first arrow is here. Find is a render construct here. Then initial text super initial process keywords. So let's try to find where is those. M object initial got unexpected keywords font. So I have a typo. So just keep reading the error message. You will keep getting the those hint. Wow, that's good. Now I have my LaTeX. So if you saw this, congratulations. So that means your installation about the LaTeX module or package was a success. If you cannot see that, try back to the beginning of the videos. Is during this tutorial we have this quick start, and before that is I also demo to you how the installation the part is may have some struggling things. I also have a certain this challenge, and finally is we did this with this MIG text using this choco. So that is numbers of experience and practice that you may refer. But if you see that, let's keep moving. So from next one is we will starting to work through those working with this math text altogether. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.